welcome back, and if you're new, welcome. My name's Sarah, and today we are doing something a little extra special and fun, and we are going to put together a Valentine's themed charcuterie board. I got this awesome cheese board for Christmas, so I wanted to go ahead and put it to good use, and I figured with Valentine's Day coming up, we would do a Valentine's themed charcuterie board. I picked up most of this stuff actually at the Dollar Tree, which is awesome, so that saved me a ton of money. I just figured this would be a super fun idea for maybe like a lazy Saturday where you and your family are just hanging around the house. As it gets closer to Valentine's, you can just have this out for y'all to snack on throughout the day. I'm super excited to do this. This is actually my first time doing this, so we are going to do it together. And y'all stay tuned and let's go ahead and get started. So here's a close-up for you guys of everything that I picked up for this Valentine's themed charcuterie board. Like I mentioned earlier, everything you see here I was able to get at the Dollar Tree, with the exception of the peanut butter, which I already had, and then the marshmallow cream I got at my local Food Lion, and then the Valentine's themed M&Ms, I actually found those at Hobby Lobby, as well as the little package of heart cups. I found those at Hobby Lobby as well.